In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off keyboard typing sound on your Samsung phone. Today, I'm gonna use Samsung Galaxy S23. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and now when I'm typing, you can hear that typing sound, and if you want to turn it off, let me show you how you can easily do it. So guys, first off, you need to head over to settings. To do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and then tap at that gear. At settings, scroll down all the way until you find the option General Management. After that, go to Samsung keyboard settings, and that's where we need to scroll down again until we find the option Swipe, Touch and Feedback. After that, go to Touch Feedback, here it is, and that's where we can easily turn off typing sound by turning off this button, just like that. And now if we go back to our keyboard and try to type, there is no longer any sound while typing. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.